2020 put a spotlight on the inequalities across the United States. Entrepreneurship is one of the paths to resolution. I'm Melanie Ray, founder of Guided Business Plan, and I have worked with entrepreneur educators and supplier inclusion teams for years. This spotlight means more resources for projects that you've been advocating for, but it also means that you may now have become the go-to person. With all the responsibilities, designing training programs that you want to sponsor, it must seem a little overwhelming. So that's where we can help. Guided Business Plan is your partner for progress. We created a national training program where more than 10,000 business owners have been taught with our guided approach. Our proven results means that you can start with our off-the-shelf books and training materials and then just customize them to meet your objectives. From online books to digital worksheets to cohort-based training, even on-demand videos, we have your foundation.